and welcome to MBAP. Today in this video, we're going to discuss about how to shortlist SNAP colleges, okay, colleges that come under the SNAP exam. If you know, there are a total of 16 colleges that you can apply through SNAP exam. Some of these colleges have got their last date, the deadline before the exam itself, which is on the coming Sunday, which is 20th of December. So some of the colleges have got their deadline before SNAP exam, and some of the colleges is after the SNAP exam. So you need to really think about which colleges that you should be applying to, why you should be applying to. So in this video, I'm going to cover all those different parameters in detail. Okay, parameters about your mock scores, parameters about your current salary. If you are a work ex guy, if you're a fresher, what kind of colleges that you should choose. In fact, the colleges that we should be applying to, what are the average packages of them. I'm going to discuss all of that in this video. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end so that you can take an informed decision. Before I go ahead, a quick reminder to subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you have come to our channel for the first time, and also follow us on Instagram because we have daily updates coming up on both YouTube and Instagram. Now, important parameters for college selection. Here, you see there are 4 different parameters that I've put, out of which the first 2 are really important. Your existing mock scores in your SNAP mocks that you're giving, your current salary. Okay, if you're a working student, what's your current salary? These 2 are definitely the most important 2 parameters that you should be thinking of. Yes, the other 2 you should also consider this. Okay, because let's say if you have a total experience of 1 year or 2 years, you might still have another attempt to improvise your score and go for a better college. But in case you have a total of 3 years experience or plus, I would definitely say you to go down. If you want to do an MBA, make sure that you do it this year itself. Just that you need to find the right college based on your current salary. Okay, that is also very, very important. So here I'm going to discuss about all these parameters in detail. Okay, I've done a detailed analysis over here. Okay, I've shown all of this. Okay, I'll get into the details of each of these parameters. Okay, how you should judge on your mock scores. Okay, how you should judge on your existing current salary. All of that we're going to look in detail in this video. Look, come on. So if we go ahead, expected SNAP cutoff versus mock scores. Now, this year, because we know that SNAP pattern has changed. Okay, it has from 110 questions. Okay, it has come down to just 60 questions in 60 minutes. Okay, this is because of pandemic that they have done. Next year, we are expecting them to go back to the original pattern that they had. However, this year, because the pattern is new, because the sectional thing, if you see there are cons which has got 20 questions, logic 25 questions, verbal is 15 questions, and there's no sectional timing. That means you can just increase your score in one of the sections, okay, by putting in some more time there. So based on that, these are expected cutoffs, okay, that we come up with. Okay, these cutoffs are not official; these are expected cutoffs. It can go plus minus here and there. Okay, with a I think +2 -2 can be a scenario, but more or less the percentile obviously remains the same over the years. Okay, so SIBM, which is the rank 1 college, the dream list college, SIBM Pune. Okay, around 97 to 98, and this is the range that we are expecting. Okay, so you can look at all these range, okay, in terms of the percentile, okay, and all this in terms of the score, okay, in terms of the score. These are things I'm talking about with regards to the actual score that your actual SNAP exam score, okay, that you're talking about. This is where I'm talking about the mock score. So how do you judge your performance, okay, with regards to your mock scores? Okay, now if you see, though here the expected cutoff is different for the top 3 colleges, I still put a 30 plus here. Okay, why? Because right now the mock score, the mocks that we have given you, okay, and I can tell you even for the other institutes, people who are giving IMS, okay, or let's say crack you, okay, those kind of mocks, okay, most of the institutions, including MBAP, okay, we keep it on a little difficult side, expecting the paper to be easier than that. Okay, so because it's a new thing, okay, so it's the first year that they are conducting in this particular manner. Okay, so we are expecting the cutoffs to be around this. And in case you are scoring around 30, or rather I would say 30 plus, there's a very good chance that on the D day, okay, on the day of your exam, if you push in, you can still cross a 37, 35, or in case the cutoff drops down and comes down to 36, you still have a very good chance. Okay, so I'm saying that if at all you are someone who's a fresher, who has got 1 year, 2 year of experience, and wants to be is very sure that he wants to get into a tier 1 college only. Okay, for I'm repeating my point. Okay, a fresher guy, a 1 year experience, a 2 year experience guy, okay, who wants to get into the tier 1 college only, he should definitely apply SIBM Pune here. Okay, I'm also going to tell you about the packages. Obviously, the packages is also very good for SIBM Pune. So you can definitely apply for that if in case your mock scores is around 30 plus. Okay. Now the point is this. Okay, if you are willing to go down, okay, willing to go down in terms of the packages, in terms of the level of college. Okay, it also depends on whether are you willing to repeat or not. Some of the students who want to make sure that they want to get into tier 1, they should definitely apply only to SIBM Pune and not to any of these colleges. They can go for another attempt later on in case you don't clear SIBM Pune. But if in case you think that no, I want to get into a decent college this year, okay, let's say I'll not go to a college that's got a very low package, okay, but a package of around 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs, okay, these kind of things are fine with me. So yes, you have these couple of more options. Okay, till here you have options like this, which is close to 10 lakhs. So you just understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 more colleges that you can apply, wherein the packages is around 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, having said that, okay, 10 lakhs, that means if someone who has a current package of, let's say, a 2 or a 3 lakhs, should definitely go ahead, okay, and apply to colleges which are offering you 10 lakhs package overall. Why? Because 2 years down the line, okay, your package of 3 lakhs might only go up to 5 lakhs. Okay. So definitely you are doubling your package then what you would do, okay, if you work for 2 more years. So it's a good option to go for colleges, okay, which are offering you close to 10 lakhs here. Okay. Again, the same point, if at all you want to go for a higher level college, okay, you should definitely repeat, okay, and go for the tier 1 college only. But in case someone has got a total of 3 years and plus experience, I would say that do not repeat. For students who have got more than 3 years of experience, do not repeat. Okay, you guys need to take a college this year, because if you get 4+ years of experience next year, tier 1 colleges might not take you. Okay, so if you have 3 years plus experience, okay, and your package is around 3 lakhs or 3.5 lakhs, definitely you have these 6 colleges more that you can apply. And as I said, okay, now you come down here, okay, the other 3 colleges which are here. So even if your score is more than 25 in your mocks, 25, 24, you still stand a chance to get into these colleges. Okay, SIOM Nasik is only for engineers, by the way. So make sure that, okay, only engineering candidates will apply to this. Okay, and to me, this comes down to be a very good backup option, okay, for students who have got 3 years plus experience, okay, and are still struggling at a package of around, let's say, a 4 lakh something. Okay, there still you can go for SIBM, so SIOM Nasik, okay, because this is going to give you a good package. In fact, over here you see it's close to 12 lakhs that it has reached. So definitely by 2 years from now, the average package might go to a 12.5 or 13. So definitely that is a good college that you should be targeting. So this is it. Okay, for the lower colleges, obviously you can see that the cutoffs is also going to be low. Okay, so even if you are scoring around 20 plus, okay, you can definitely aim at these colleges also. In fact, I'll tell you right now. Okay, let's go a level ahead. Okay, where we see the last date to apply. So as of now, if you have to be in a hurry to decide, okay, on apply, you just have SIBM Pune. Okay, you have SIIB and you have SIBM Bangalore. These 3 colleges are only having a deadline which is before the SNAP exam. Other than that, SIOM, okay, SCM, HRD, all these colleges gives you a chance to apply to these colleges even after your first attempt of SNAP exam. So make sure that you guys have time. But in case you are aiming at SIBM, okay, SIIB and SIBM Bangalore, make sure that you apply to these colleges before your SNAP exam. Do not mess it up by any chance that you're preparing for SIBM, okay, preparing for SIIB, and you have not filled the form. Those kind of tragedies should not happen. So this video is helping you take a very informed decision with regards to which colleges to apply, okay, before SNAP exam, which is these 3 colleges particularly, okay, these 3 colleges particularly, and on what basis you should apply. Look at the packages here offered by these colleges. Okay, here you can see these, okay, the packages which are there, and obviously the mock scores which are there. Other than that, other colleges, okay, I'll put a separate video about it. Okay, when you have the SNAP exam, with that, probably the expected cutoff might change, okay, if they play around the difficulty level. So I'll put a separate video of that. So make sure that you watch that video as well, so that you take an informed decision about applying to other colleges. I hope you guys like this video. Okay, you like the content that we are sharing with you. Please do like it, okay, and share it with your friends, okay, so that everyone can benefit from this. All the best.